Hello, I am Harriet Bayo, an open advocate and a Wikimedian. Today I'm excited to share with you how you could use OER for teaching and learning. Our previous lessons have introduced you to what OER is and the forms that exist. Knowing all this, how can we use OER for teaching and learning? By the end of this video, you will know how. The first is we can use OER to supplement textbooks. You will all agree with me that in some instances, textbooks are expensive and hard to find. In such situations, all we have to do is search for open textbooks online or for some repositories, and we'll have access to a variety of textbooks that we can choose from. It is important to choose the relevant ones to your course in order to use for teaching and learning. When you do find some of these textbooks, do share it with your colleague teachers. The second is you can use OER to design and enhance your course content or lesson plans. It is the duty of teachers to provide lesson plans. Thanks to the existence of OER, which exists in several formats, you can depend on this to prevent you from starting from scratch in designing your lesson plans. You could also use this to enhance your already existing lesson plans. What's more, you can change the context of these lesson plans to fit your location, be it language or culture. The third is you could use OER to improve on students' engagement as well as understanding. It is said that the best way to learn is through participation, and it is also said that little details give a clearer picture. OER exists in several formats such as audios, videos, text, and even interactive simulations. Using this will not only capture the attention of the students, it would help in their engagement with the material as well as improve their understanding. Supposing you wanted to teach your students about the weather, doing this in only text will not give them a clearer picture. However, including some form of images, some form of videos will help them in understanding this phenomenon of the weather. So make good use of these formats in which OER exists. The last but not the least is to use OER for assessments. People across the globe have designed OERs for assessments that can be used to ascertain the effectiveness of the course content as well as the understanding of the students. So you as a teacher can rely on some of these assessments to ascertain the effectiveness of your course content as well as the understanding of the students. So there you have it, how to use OER for teaching and learning. A quick recap. We can use OER to supplement our textbooks. We can use them to design and enhance our course content as well as lesson plan. You could use them to improve on the engagement and an understanding of students, and you could use that for assessments. I hope you put this into practice. See you in our next lesson. Bye.